We are now going to talk about a very, very important aspect of our work with computers, and it's a very important aspect of computer work in the 21st century, and this is working with data and various ways of interpreting data, processing data, and presenting data. There is so much data these days that we cannot just look at numbers. We need some visual representation of the data. So in this document we've got here various texts which you're required to read, and we're going to start working with that data. So the text itself is about waste, and you need to read through this, understand it well enough so that you can present it in a table and chart. Then we will see that there are many different types here, and we move on now to create a poster, and this is a poster that will create interest for somebody who is going to have a look at your work. There are 3 websites here which we recommend you to use in order to create posters like these example ones here. In our next section we're going to turn the data into an infographic. Now an infographic is different from a poster. What we have in an infographic is we have pictures which are related to the data itself, and we can see here that we've got 4 kilograms of metal, 307 kilos. We've got here paper 14 kilograms, glass 11, and plastics 10. So this is the data which is now represented in a visual form using these websites: Infogram, Piktochart, Creately, and the 4th one. And now we're going to have a look at a large piece of data from the Czech Statistics Office. You will download the file and you will start to process the file, having a look at the different aspects of the data which are there, and we will start to present it in different ways using the spreadsheets, conditional formatting, which we will study later. So here we have a graph that comes from that spreadsheet, and I'm sure you agree that the visualized form of the data is much more meaningful, much clearer to understand the data than looking at pure simple numbers.